everyone, welcome back to Ann Talks. Today we're going to uncover the basics of saving and investing. So whether you're new to this topic or you're trying to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Stay till the end for some actionable tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button for more tips on self-improvement. Let's begin. Let's start with the basics. Now, saving and investing are two fundamental aspects of personal finance. They serve different purposes and they also involve different strategies.
Understanding the difference between the two is crucial for building a solid financial foundation.
Saving is setting aside money for future use. It's usually kept in a safe and accessible place, such as a savings account for future emergencies. Now, the primary goal of saving is to ensure that you have money available when you need it. Now, keyword when you need it, not want it. Investing, on the other hand, is about putting your money into work to generate a return over the long term. Now, this usually involves buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that can appreciate in value or produce income. Now, the primary goal of investing is to generate wealth over a long period of time, but this includes risk and long-term perspective. So this question often gets asked a lot is whether should I invest first or should I start saving first? Now, this is a very common question for beginners. Now, the answer is it depends on your individual circumstances. So which one is more important? Is it investing or, saving? So if both savings and investing are both important for, your financial success, don't get me wrong. However, it depends on your personal circumstances. So let's say that here's my advice. If you don't have an emergency fund, then focus on saving first, because having an emergency fund serves as a cushion in case of emergencies or unexpected purchases or expenses. So focus on saving first. And once you have enough money, then you start investing, because investing is crucial in order to generate long-term wealth in the long run. Next question I get asked is, should I do both now? Of course, if your finances allow, absolutely. It's crucial to do both saving and investing simultaneously. However, you need to remember that you need to cover your basic financial needs first, like an emergency fund, before you start investing. If you can't cover your own basic needs, then don't start investing, because the risk it comes when you start doing crypto or stocks. You don't know what trouble you could get into. That's just a heads up. So if your financial situation allows it, do both now. 100%. If it doesn't allow, or you don't have that financial situation right now to be able to do both, focus on saving first. And once your financial situation improves or it stabilizes, then do investing as well. So why are both important, you might ask me? Then both savings and investing are crucial for financial health. Now, savings provides a safety net and liquidity, while investing helps build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. So here are some steps to help you get started with saving and investing. Now, step 1, assess your current financial situation. Start by evaluating your current financial situation. Ask questions like, do you have an emergency fund? Do you cover your monthly expenses pretty well? Now, if you do, and you answer these questions and start reflecting on your whole current financial situation, includes rent, literally everything. I want you to list down all your expenses on a piece of paper or a spreadsheet. And after that, then you can start thinking about whether I should do saving first, or should I do investing first, or should I do both? It really depends on your financial situation. So write that down right now. Step 2, now create a budget. Track your income and expenses monthly and identify how much you can save and invest each month. Remember, you can use budgeting apps or a spreadsheet to help you keep track. I usually use a spreadsheet to keep track of my expenses, or my credit card app actually tracks everything for me as well. And you can identify how much you're spending and how much you actually need to save and invest over a period of time. Now, step 3, build an emergency fund. Now, if you don't already have an emergency fund, start doing it now. And don't forget, you have to aim at least 3 to 6 months worth of emergency money, because you don't know what type of emergencies that could come. Because having an emergency fund actually is a financial cushion. Think of it as a cushion for you, for your life. That no matter what type of unexpected financial expenses you spend on, or like financial emergencies, you have an emergency fund. It does not have to be health related, literally anything. Always have an emergency fund. Now, step 4 is to understand your financial goals. Start identifying your short-term and long-term goals. Now, short-term goals may include like saving for a gadget or a vacation. Now, long-term goals means that you're saving up for a house or your retirement. To diversify your investments. Now, what I mean by this is that diversification is key to managing risks. Now, this involves I want you to spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Now, remember that both saving and investing are equally important, but remember they serve different purposes. By balancing your approach and making more informed financial decisions, you can build a strong financial foundation. Now, thanks for watching today's video. If you really enjoyed it, I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below more financial advices or saving and investing tips that you want to know more. Let me know so I can know what to talk about for all of you guys. And now don't forget to check out our website on WordPress, where we share guides and templates on basic personal finances or personal development or self-help guides and tips, all on our website. We will link down in the description box below. So now, until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for success. See you soon.